Good evening everybody. Today in Excel I am taking on VBA class. Okay. Now here what I will do, I will go to Excel. Okay. Now here what I will do, in Excel I will go to macro. Okay. How to go to macro? If you want to go to macro, VBA, go to developer. Then you go to insert. Then here what you do, or do one thing, directly go to macro. Okay. Go to developer, then you go to macro. Here give some name. Okay, give some name. Then you click on create. Okay. Now the macro is now sub. Actually, what is the sub means the macro by name T is created. Yeah, always procedure is started by sub and ending with end sub. Now here what I will do, say cells of I'll say that is first row first column comma. Okay, here I'll say font, then I'll say dot bold. Okay, is equal to, I'll say true, is equal to, I'll say true. Same thing I'll say cells of one, suppose I'll say second row first column. Okay, dot, I'll say font dot italic. Dot italic is equal to, I'll say true. Okay, here I'll say cells of 3, 1, that is third row first column. Dot, I'll say font dot, I'll say underline. Underline is equal to true. Yeah, here I am using bold, italic and underline. By calling the procedure or by calling macro to procedure. Okay, sub is a procedure. Okay, and VBA means it's a procedural language. It is a procedural language where each and every event is called through procedure. Each and every event is called through procedure. And we are starting with sub and ending with end sub. Okay, now here what I will do. Now suppose I select this one, and if I go to this one, if I go to macro, and if I say run, what will happen? See, now whatever the coding I written, according to that it's changing. It's becoming bold, then italic, then underline. Okay, like that. That's the meaning of this coding what I have done. Now once again I'll show. I'll go to Visual Basic. Now see. Now I call the macro. I'm telling cells of 1, 1 dot font dot bold is equal to true. This is for first column, first row first column, second row first column, and third row first column. Okay, for these things, these parameters are applied. Okay, such that once if I run, okay, once if I go to macro and if I run, what will happen? Those parameters are changed. Okay, like that. See, this is the way how we are linking macro for making the text bold, italic and underline.